Hi everyone, welcome back to Insert Data. Today's day 13 of 45 days DAX challenge. In this video, I'm going to discuss MAXX function. Okay, so if you are here for the first time, so don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe to the channel. Please be with me till end of this video. Please be with me till end of the 45 days DAX challenge. I make sure you will have clear understanding of each and every DAX function which I'm going to discuss for the next 45 days. So without any further delay, let's jump to Power BI desktop and see MAXX function in action. So here we are on Power BI desktop. Before I explain you anything, I'll tell you the definition of MAXX and the use case of MAXX. So any function ends with X is an iterator function. So here MAXX function is an iterator function. So it calculates the maximum value by row. Okay, it calculates the maximum value row by row. So it will evaluate based on the requirement and will give the maximum value. So what is the use case here? Let's say when you want to calculate the maximum of a expression instead of a single column means this unit sold is a single column. But if you want some expression, let's say you want unit sold into unit price, and the maximum of unit sold multiplied by unit price, in this case you have to use MAXX function. Fine, but let's say just you want to calculate the maximum of unit sold. In this case you should use max. So what is the task here? So the task is we have to calculate the maximum sales price here. Okay, maximum selling price. So how we can calculate maximum selling price here? I'll click on new column and column name I'll say, let's say sales amount. So unit sold multiplied by unit price minus discount is nothing but the total selling price, right? So I'll say max. We have three functions: max, max a, max x. I have already discussed max. In this video I'm going to discuss max x, and in some other video I'll discuss max a. So let's focus on max x. Max x asks for three arguments, but third one is optional here. First is table. So which table we have? I have sales table. Second is asking for expression. What is the expression here? Expression is nothing but unit sold multiplied by unit price minus discount. Unit sold multiplied by unit price minus discount. If I press enter here, so what would be the result? Result will be nothing but out of all the rows, totally we have 8 rows, so it will calculate the maximum of the unit sold multiplied by unit price minus discount. See, which is nothing but 3950. I think this is for laptop because unit sold is 5 into 800 is 4000 minus 50 is 3950. So what it gives is it calculates the calculation for each row, and out of each row it gives the maximum of that particular row without showing us. Okay, I hope this is clear. Still, if you have any doubt, please comment your doubt into the comment section. I'll look into it, and we will meet tomorrow with some other important DAX function. Till then, take care and bye.